This guide is meant to serve as inspiration, but the possibilities are nearly endless with Gemini. Try these additional tips to build on your prompt writing skills. Break it up. If you want Gemini for Workspace to perform several related tasks, break them into separate prompts. Give constraints. To generate specific results, include details in your prompt such as character count limits or the number of options you'd like to generate. Assign a role. To encourage creativity, assign a role. You can do this by starting your prompt with language like, "You are the head of a creative department for a leading advertising agency." Ask for feedback. In your conversation with Gemini at gemini.google.com, tell it that you're giving it a project, include all the details you have and everything you know, and then describe the output you want. Continue the conversation by asking questions like, "What questions do you have for me that would help you provide the best output?" Consider tone. Tailor your prompts to suit your intended audience and desired tone of the content. Ask for a specific tone such as formal, informal, technical, creative, or casual in the output. Say it another way. Fine-tune your prompts if the results don't meet your expectations or if you believe there's room for improvement. An iterative process of review and refinement often yields better results. Please refer the link in description for full document, officially download from Google. Thank you for watching this video.